Okay, doing some radio today for the BBC Radio Girl. Looking forward to it. The show's called Facecut. Let's go. Boom!
Hey kid, Pops, how you doing? Not bad, mate. Make sure you don't leave your bike here, eh? Too long unattended, they take it away. Hot bikes, healthy workforce here at the BBC.
Hallo feeskebaas, vaartige feesket Calum sa Calum Macaulay. Shetikiet in je handen du, agus a sheniki locha give us in leag slee troer shach en jopper, agus met ochos give look about you, capri je hatal. Kashana Okay. Rehearsal. Need to keep it like that for going on here. Cool.
Okay, it's me down at the Beeb. Off to see pal wee Ali now. Still need this so to get into the bike shed. And yeah, then home for dinner. Ian Central. Cool, right, I'll be in 5 minutes. Finish the train, finish up the landmark in Glasgow. Yo, starting with Ali here. Ali and I were best buds in college. Made idiots of ourselves with drink. But we survived. Ali Big, college pal. We are going to discuss some ideas, put them on the table, see what we can do with them. And also catch up, because it's been, when did I last see you?
A year ago?
No, okay, yeah. January. Long time. Too long. So, see you later. This is a work in progress. Ali is going to write a script for a film, and we're going to film it. I'm going to enter it to Film G, the Gaelic Film Competition. All set. Yeah. Deadline. You heard that. You will be ready. Okay, so nearly home. Let's go. Right, trying something different here. Not liking the way the stand is, so I'll rattle through this quickly. What I've learned today is I need more batteries because I don't have enough. Well, I've got 2, which would normally be fine, but they weren't charged properly. Keep an eye on that camera in case it falls. I need to get a new memory card for my phone because it's not really good at saving videos quick. Because that was going to be my backup for this in case it didn't work. And yeah, the whole point of this today, I've no bars left. I want to make sure that I want to time this so I get home tonight after we're done it. I want to edit this, post it on YouTube, send it to Neil McConnell, see what he thinks. I just want to get a time on it, how long it takes, so I can get an idea, so I can plan stuff, get it done. Okay, terrible shot, I know. Apologies, bye, boom. Okay, nearly home. I think it's just enough battery to do this one wee thing. Calum speaker.